Is growing vegetables popular in your country?
6分
Yes, growing vegetables is quite popular in China, especially among older people. Many people like to grow vegetables in their gardens or on their balconies. I think it is a good hobby because you can eat fresh food.
6.5分
Definitely. Growing vegetables has become increasingly popular in China over the years. A lot of elderly people tend to cultivate seasonal greens in small plots near their homes. It's not only a practical way to get fresh produce, but also a really relaxing pastime.
7分
Without question, growing vegetables has gained significant traction in China recently. There's been a noticeable surge in urban gardening, with many young professionals converting their balconies into miniature vegetable patches. I think it reflects a growing appreciation for organic living and self-sufficiency.
8.5分
Absolutely. Growing vegetables has experienced a remarkable resurgence across China, cutting across generational divides. What was once predominantly the domain of retirees has now captivated younger demographics, fueled by a heightened awareness of food provenance. I'd say it epitomizes the broader cultural shift towards sustainable living and mindful consumption.
Practice every day. Keep speaking.